一個台灣調查組星期二檢查咗射殺台灣漁民事件當中所涉及嘅菲律賓監測船。台灣調查人員同菲律賓國家調查局嘅工作人員登上咗呢一艘30米長嘅漁業部公務船，對船隻進行檢查。菲律賓海岸警衛隊艦隊司令愛德華多·貢窩納話
：，Yeah, they have inspected the boat. They have inspected where the guns are hidden. They have inspected the stand of the guns where they have placed the guns, and then they have inspected all the sides of the ships, so that they would see if there were dents that was possibly rammed by the ship from other side.
菲律賓海岸警衛隊5月9號喺菲律賓以北嘅海域射殺咗一名台灣漁民。台灣方面話事件發生喺台灣專屬經濟區，菲律賓違反咗國際法。菲律賓漁業部官員話佢哋嘅船隻受到被衝擊威脅，於是喺距離台灣東南部170海里嘅位置向台灣漁船嘅引擎開火。
We talked cordially. They went to the pilot house. They have inspected where they have asked where the commanding officer is seated, where the helmsman is seated, and where the radarman is seated. That cordial, very polite conversation we have had there.
貢窩納又話預計台灣調查組喺星期3將會查問涉及開槍事件嘅人員。